In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Wix Hoverbox. Hoverboxes are interactive sections that reveal extra content when someone moves their cursor over them, making them perfect for showcasing services, portfolios, or key highlights without cluttering the page. Start by opening Wix Studio. Once you're inside your site's editor, head to the left-hand toolbar and choose Add Element. This is where you'll find everything you can place on a page. From there, open Sections. Sections are pre-built building blocks that snap neatly into your layout, helping you stay consistent across your design without starting from scratch each time. Inside the Sections panel, select Hover. You'll see a collection of ready-made hover designs. Each layout includes a default view and a hover state that appears on mouse over. Browse the options and choose a hover layout that matches your content and style. Think about whether you want something image forward, a clean card design, or a full width section. Don't worry too much about colors and fonts yet. You can customize those once the layout is on your page. After you add the hover section to your canvas, close the panel so you can focus and start editing your hoverbox. Every hoverbox has two states, the regular state that visitors first see and the hover state that appears when they move over it. Use the state controls to switch between them while you edit, so your messaging and visuals line up perfectly between both views. Replace placeholder text with short, meaningful copy, swap in your own images or media, and adjust colors and typography to align with your brand. If your layout includes a button, update the label and link so it drives visitors to the right place. Aim for clear contrast, especially in the hover state. Readability is key. If text feels hard to read, consider increasing the overlay opacity, darkening the background, or bumping up font weight and size. Keep accessibility in mind. Add descriptive alt text to images and make sure important information isn't only available on hover. Provide a visible label or a clear call to action so keyboard and touch users can access the same content. Take a moment to see the interaction in action and refine the timing, spacing, and alignment so everything feels smooth and intentional. Position the section where it best supports your page's flow and maintain consistent margins with other elements for a polished look. And that's it. You've created a Wix hoverbox that looks great, works smoothly, and elevates your content. Follow these steps whenever you need an engaging, space-saving way to reveal more information on your site.